if you're working with a high resolution video, then chances are that whenever you're editing, your computer might freeze up. And that is because, especially when you're working with a high resolution video like 4K, your computer needs to process a lot of information. And that is especially true when you're using a slow computer. It really hangs. The software really hangs. So in that case, what you can do is you can use something called proxy. So to do that, I'm going to go to settings. So there's already preview scaling which decreases the quality that is temporarily over here. But what you can also do is you can go around into proxy, and here you can see you can use proxy over here. So you can go around with using a hardware encoder to change out let's say, for example, if you want to use the hardware to encode out your proxy, you can go for hardware encoding properties over here as well and select out the codecs right here according to how you want the proxy, and you can select out the storage. Right now it's set to use proxy folder. Let me just set this out onto as desktop right here. So once I do that, you can go around into proxy and click on use proxy right here, and it says, do you want to create missing proxies for every file in the project? So right now there's only one file, so it says you must reopen the project after all proxy jobs are finished right here. I don't want to do that. I just want to select out certain videos and make it into proxies. But if you want all the videos to be converted, you can press yes right here and it'll start processing. So let me just bring this in right here. So what happens is that this is a video clip right here on my timeline. So I want to create a proxy for this. So I'm going to go to properties right here, and as you enable out the proxy right here, you can see that there's new proxy as an option. Once you click on this, you can disable proxy right here. You can copy the hash code but this is what we want to make proxy. So once we do that, you can see that it is actually converting out the video onto a format that is much more smaller and faster right here. So it is converting out the video, as you can see right here. Depending on the size of the video and the processing power of your computer, this might take a while. And also this depends on the resolution and quality of the video. The higher the resolution, the more it takes time to actually process out. So right now you can see that it is almost 83%, 85%, 90%. So it processed the audio out right here. And now it has made the proxy right here. So now what happens is that working with video and so forth will be much more smoother because it processed out a temporary video footage right here. And that is how you can use video proxies inside of Shotcut. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.